welcome to Dragonflower Gardens. I want to welcome you all today. I want to thank all my returning subs. You guys are awesome. And go.
Mommy, the Sylvia did a fountain hot.
That's right. I'm going to throw it in the tree. Let's see if I can get it.
Fountain hot. Fountain hot.
Oh, I missed.
Fountain hot. And fountain tall.
Ooh, I made it that time. Didn't come down far enough. No, the whole point is not to climb the tree. So apparently I'm not as good at this as your dad made it look.
Dad, it's a big one.
Yeah, he's a
And
fellow
you
like
are
that.
a
I guess I'll
little
throw it
one.
again. Oh, way better that time. Okay, practice. And then
Hey!
it goes through here. All right. Then I can tie the birdhouse onto it. I guess not. You can stop. This entire thing sucks.
This is the one that she did.
Today we built this wonderful playground and we're going to run through it while it is raining. So let's begin. Got the rings. All right, this is where we start. Look, ready? We're going. Whoa, it's not sunk in all the way. Time. Hooray! So it's just a little park for the kids to play in. And as we go on, it will get better and better. So go ahead, get a gander, walk yourself around now. Check out this old school swing. It's a stick and a rope. That's what we had to play with. All right, it's not that hard if you're coordinated, okay? Yeah. Yeah. It's all low for the toddler. We got some other stuff for the bigger kids. Sweet and simple, my friends. How amazing is all this germination from those flowers? We planted like what, 2 weeks ago? Not even. Wow, I'm pretty excited. Over the moon about it. Well, I look down there by the waterway yet too. How pretty. gorgeous, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Thank you for watching Dragonflower Gardens. And remember to keep on growing.